the high-stakes world of exploration and production, economic pressures and a dramatically increasing gap between the lifting cost of domestic and foreign assets challenge industry professionals to increase control, to optimize supply chain assets, to reduce expense, to heighten efficiency. In short, to do more with less. The constantly expanding transition to water depths undreamed of only a few short years ago has geometrically compounded the equation, as issues of trip run times, port turnaround efficiency, vessel capacities, and cradle-to-grave cargo tracking add to the complexity of exploration and production management. As an outsourced service provider, Sea Logistics is tasked with providing and executing the necessary processes and technologies to solve these and other problems. Of the issues facing logistics today, the management of the new generation of deepwater vessels, those with the capacity necessary to facilitate rig startup and significant operational requirements, poses the challenge of full vessel utilization. During those periods of reduced cargo need, it is the responsibility of the dock to facilitate intra- and intercompany sharing to maximize the use of vessel capacities both outbound and in. To make the idea of intercompany vessel sharing a feasible alternative require the creation and implementation of a standard operating agreement. Enter the Vessel Sharing Agreement. Vessel sharing is a concept that allows multiple customers to partner vessel assets in a unique pay-as-you-go system. The process starts with a clear and complete understanding of client project mission requirements. Using proprietary modeling software to factor in a variety of data, including key project performance indicators, Sea Logistics specialists design a voyage plan which meets the exacting requirements of all parties. Under the agreement, they select the most cost-effective vessel profile and allot deck space, schedule and monitor terminal delivery, staging and loading, identify shipping corridors, and define optimum routes. Sea Logistics acts as independent third-party administrator of the Vessel Sharing Agreement, which establishes equal guidelines for all participants, defines all liability issues, operational procedures, and the vessel cost allocation formula for shared and sole account marine voyages. The result is customized supply management, distribution networks and service footprints that are flexible and expandable, multiple stops per week per rig, without the traditional cost of dedicated vessels and their day rates. With these new vessels and their capacities, the need to manage loading times has also become paramount. The traditional dock arrangement of loading at remote locations is incompatible with the need to quickly turn vessels around at the dock. The reduction of downtime in port is an important ingredient to the mix. Seaport stands as the hub of Port Fourchon, the Gulf of Mexico's premier deepwater port. It's a one-of-a-kind, multi-service marine terminal complex, which represents the cutting-edge evolution of marine materials movement and vessel support technology. Purpose-designed to reduce vessel turnaround, the two seaport terminals combine 18 specialized slips and 37 overhead cranes, configured to safely and efficiently transfer cargo, and provide a wide range of support services to accommodate the largest of deepwater offshore vessels. No other marine terminal anywhere offers the single-source solutions available at Seaport. As multiple vessels undergo cargo transfer, other teams simultaneously service them with fuel, water, cements, barytes, liquid mud, and completion fluids, or in-tank cleaning and fluids recovery. It's this extraordinary blend of coordination which dramatically reduces vessel turn time. Expansive, highly secure, and well-lighted staging and storage facilities are located adjacent to the two seaport terminals. In-port facilities exist for pipe storage, testing and repair, tailored to individual client requirements. For dockside services and vessels primarily engaged in shelf drilling and production activity, Martin Terminal offers cargo staging, transfer, and storage, in addition to water, fuel, and methanol sales. From an around-the-clock control center, vessel service status and vessel and materials movement is tracked in real time and is available online from a secure web-based interface. Seasoned cargo expediters and load planners take a hands-on approach in interfacing with materials suppliers, truck lines, platform superintendents, offshore installation managers, vessel operators, and others in the supply chain to ensure on-time delivery. It's a process designed to quickly service vessels and return them to sea, all under an umbrella of a safety program nationally recognized as one of the best in the business. As with most solutions, new and sophisticated management tools are needed to effect implementation. The material shipment request conveys a list of materials needed and a deadline for delivery. In order to standardize paperwork, this report can work independently in place of or in parallel with a company's existing paper trail. Cargo expedition is a service which allows platform personnel to deliver a request of what materials are needed and the delivery deadline. Sea Logistics assumes total responsibility for vendor interface and delivery. Cargo inspection ensures that cargo is received at the dock undamaged and properly rigged, as defined by the customer. Once cargo is received into the dock's inventory system, it is staged, tagged, and prepared for final delivery, visible via the web-based inventory control system. Once a plan for delivery and backhaul is developed, it is distributed to all of the voyage shareholders. This allows the review of cargoes for completeness. After the voyage plan is approved by all parties, the warehouse will then pull, inspect, and deliver cargo to the assigned slip for loading. As the vessel loads, actual weights of each lift are recorded for manifest adjustment. These weights are then edited into the final manifest, allowing the platform advance notice of weight and lifting requirements. After a vessel is departed, it is still under management control via the vessel position display. In real time, vessel position and cargo are instantly traceable. But delivery is only half of the equation. With today's high-dollar equipment rental costs, tracking equipment return is secondary only to delivery. Maintaining an inventory of delivered cargoes allows the management of stranded equipment and a minimization of stand-down time and return to vendor. For Sea Logistics, the Triton software is a vehicle that allows E&P management to keep a constant finger on the supply chain pulse, providing a level of control and a degree of efficiency never before imagined in marine materials movement. In this, the most demanding work environment on the planet, it's not a question of if plans will change, but rather one of when and how they will change. With the click of a mouse, Triton provides a level of real-time situational awareness needed to quickly react to change and to monitor and track each and every piece of cargo in every stage of the supply queue, on the truck, on the dock, on the boat, on the platform. The result is better timeline planning due to real-time vessel position tracking, predictable delivery schedules, reduction in high-dollar stranded equipment costs, and the freeing of valuable rig space. The bottom line? What you need, when you need it, all at your fingertips. And importantly, all under your control. Sea Logistics has a long and established track record of providing customized service to clients through a unique combination of expertise and technology. The history of Sea Logistics is innovation. The reason for our success is service. We welcome inquiries, and we invite you to visit our facilities to see firsthand integrated supply management in action. We'll change the way you think about cost and scheduling, about asset utilization, and cargo management and control. Because it's more than logistics. It's the future of marine transportation.